The Vice President of Finance is considered the most important function on the board after that of the chair. The success of the PMI Mile High chapter depends on whether or not the organization is able to develop and adhere to a budget. My name is Richard Madsen, and I am running for Vice President of Finance. When asked what I thought the two most important goals are for finance in 2014 and 2015, the most immediate response was to affirm the continuance of the outstanding financial policies and processes established by our current Vice President of Finance, Annette Lazier, and her current team of directors, quickly followed by my concern to ensure value for our members and prospective members for each revenue event. Certainly worthy goals, so what are my qualifications to meet them? In summary, it is my experience, education, and temperament within the realm of accounting and finance, coupled with working with the current Vice President of Finance as the Director of Accounts Payable for over a year. My MBA codified years of experience working within corporate finance of top 100 corporations, whether in revenue assurance, tax departments, or operational management with P&L responsibility. Working for a year as a membership volunteer in the PMI Mile High chapter allowed me to see and learn what prospective and current members want from their chapter, what's of value to them. Whether it's the workshops, relevant training, skill improvement, employment networking, all were deemed important. Providing such value comes at a cost. As the directors of Account Payable, I saw how our expenditures matched membership desires, how each dollar was accounted for, what programs were successful and which were not. Insights from these experiences, along with many years within the PMI, enable me to responsibly protect the financial assets of our chapter that will permit continuance of excellent programs. If elected, I pledge that I will faithfully discharge my fiduciary responsibility to our chapter in accompanying the goals so indicated. Thank you for your vote.